Welcome to Encyclo Hub. My name is Priyanshu Jain, and in this one, we are discussing IBO 01 International Business Environment, the first assignment. Then, before starting this, we are providing all the assignments in your WhatsApp and a very minimum charges. And if you need all the assignments, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 9009368238. Kindly note this number and you can message us on our WhatsApp. Now, question number one is a define international economic environment. Discuss the major economic indicators of international economic environment which influence the foreign market decision with examples. Explain the impact of elements of cultures and on firms, international business operation with examples. So if you need answer of all the answers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. We provide all the solutions within a day. Thank you so much.